Hello, and welcome back to today's episode where I'm going to show you how to create a very easy buttercream piped Christmas tree cookie. Together we'll run through the process for decorating this festive shaped cookie. I'm Yvette, owner of Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and whilst I have had the pleasure of creating hundreds of celebration and wedding cakes, my focus is now to help you master the basics of cake decorating so you too can go on to enjoy creating your own cakes and cookies for either family or friends or for your clients. So before we start, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you don't miss a new episode. Before I start piping this cooking, I am using a Christmas tree shaped cookie cutter using my ultimate sugar cookie recipe bundle, which never lets me down and tastes divine. I'll pop the link below for you in case you don't have a reliable sugar cookie recipe. For today's demonstration, I have baked my cookie this morning and left it to cool completely. You want to make sure it is cold so that your buttercream doesn't start to melt on your cookie as you pipe it. I have coloured my buttercream with latte from the Colour Mill oil range and filled my piping bag fitted with a small star tip, the number 33 from Loyal. Now, starting at the base of the cookie, pipe little shells along the bottom edge. Okay, so squeeze out your beautiful buttercream, lift it up and over, and then release as you pull the tail up. Then moving slowly, continue your rows across the bottom of your Christmas tree and work your way up, row by row, filling in all the gaps as you go. Gently hold your cookie in place while you pipe it all the way to the top of the tree. I've used my signature buttercream and I'll link to this below for you in case you need a buttercream that's perfect for piping. Once you finish piping, sprinkle on some tiny Christmas decorations. We've used little gold stars from Dollar Sweets for this cookie. And there you have it. Now you're finished. Enjoy eating your cookie, or if you're saving it for later, make sure you do store it laying flat, being careful not to damage your piped buttercream. Now, my buttercream that I use is a crusting style of buttercream, so once it does crust over, it's a little more durable. Now, we get most of our supplies from Caker's Warehouse, so if you need any supplies for your baking or your cake needs, just be sure to use your Enchanted 10 discount code and you'll be able to save 10% off all your online orders. And thanks so much for joining me today. I can't wait to see your creations. Either post them below in the comments or come find me and follow me on Instagram at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. And if you want more personalised help, in case you didn't know, I am opening a special community space soon where we can connect and have your cake questions answered in a safe and supportive environment. I'll pop the link below so you can be first to know when it's up and running. Now, before you go, it would mean so much to me if you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Happy decorating all those beautiful Christmas treats.